latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's lawyer Vikas Singh rubbished actor Rhea Chakraborty's allegations that SSR's sister had molested her in a party. The lawyer also pointed out various discrepancies in the matter that include Rhea leaving Sushant's home before Meetu Singh's arrival, not informing the family about medications, and so on. Satish Maneshinde cleared the air on Rhea Chakraborty leaving SSR's residence. In an interview, Satish said that the late actor's sister Meetu arrived at his residence after days of crying and calling, posed that he reportedly asked Rhea to go and live with her parents for a few days. Satish further stated that Rhea herself was suffering from panic attacks and anxiety issues. The Supreme Court is likely to issue its judgment on actor Rhea's plea on 19th August 2020 at 11 am. The actor had earlier filed a plea asking for the transfer of Sushant Singh Rajput's case to Mumbai. Bollywood actor Sanjay Dutt's wife Manyata Dutt has revealed through a statement that the actor will be receiving preliminary treatment for lung cancer at the Kokilaben Hospital in Mumbai. She also requested everyone not to speculate anything about the stage of Sanjay Dutt's illness. Bollywood rapper Badshah has been summoned by Mumbai Crime Branch in connection with fake social media followers scam. Badshah earlier recorded his statement in connection with the fake social media followers scam. However, the Mumbai Crime Branch has reportedly found certain discrepancies in his statement, because of which he has been summoned again. Clearing the allegations leveled against him, filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt said that he appeared before the National Commission for Women in context of a sexual abuse case filed against the promoter of a modeling firm. In his statement, the filmmaker said he had no association with the venture. In a recent interview, veteran actor Naseeruddin Shah slammed Kangana Ranaut for expressing her thoughts over SSR's death. Without mentioning the actor's name, Naseeruddin said that no one is interested in the opinions of a half-educated starlet who took it on herself to get justice for the late actor. Bollywood actor Anil Kapoor recently took to Instagram to post a picture that proved he is one of the fittest actors in Bollywood. Sharing a few pictures, the actor wrote, "When muscles look better than your face." On the occasion of World Photography Day, megastar Amitabh Bachchan took to Instagram to warn other actors. Sharing a monochrome picture of himself working on a set with a number of cameras surrounding him, the actor wrote, "World Photography Day, August 19th. Actors beware, they can replace your face with technology now."